When I got blindsided by the IELTS and failed, I was humiliated. A disturbing fact is over 71,300 test takers are rejected each year from colleges and excellent career opportunities in English-speaking countries because of this exam. You see, most widely used IELTS study guides from Amazon.com, Barnes & Noble, and other websites do not match the actual test content you'll face. The practice questions are much easier and are not worded like the real IELTS questions. You know, this is a standardized test. Therefore, test questions must cover the same predictable set of content each testing date. For the last 7 years, I've worked as an IELTS test prep coach and mentor. You can imagine, after working one-on-one with 11,000 IELTS test takers, it doesn't take rocket science to discover what you need to focus on to pass. Allow me to part the curtains and hand you this proprietary information. I know it'll slingshot you to the dream college admission or better career opportunity faster and easier than you ever thought possible. Go to www.teachingsolutions.org/IELTS-study-guide for a free, no-nonsense IELTS test prep report right now.